Indonesia. Aja perlu buat feedback dan soal lagi.
Hello everyone, I am Rajendra Ashok Deshmukh and today's date is 7 May 2022 and today's Viva topic is explain latency class in a Java programming language. In the past decade, it does not collection framework does not include in a Java. In a earlier Java programming language, collection framework is used to store an object. In a Java collection, in a classes and interfaces are used in a JSE 1.2 to implement collection framework. It's used to support in a Java programming language. After supporting 1.2 Java, the classes is engineering in the collection framework. The classes and interfaces are in the collection framework in a old version of Java. It's known as legacy classes. There are 5 types of legacy classes. First is hash table, second is stack, third is dictionary, fourth is properties, 5 is vector. So now we can see all of the I have said. First is hash table. Hash table is similar known as hash map. It is used to represent an key value here. In a hash table, it does not allow a duplicate null key and value here because it is a synchronized hash table. There are following methods are used in a hash table. First is hash table method. It is used to create default hash table. Second is hash table integer size. It allows to create an hash table to an parameterized size. Second is hash table integer size and float federation. In this type we have created a hash table that is size is integer and float federation. Float federation size in between 0.0 and 1.1. So default size of table is Java programming is 11. This all of methods used in a hash table. Second is stack. The stack is extended in a vector class. Stack can order the last in first out LIFO principle in a Java programming language. And in a stack programming language, various operations can be performed. For example, push, pop, pick, remove, search. This all of operation performed in a stack. So we have discussed about this all operation. First is push operation performed on a stack to add element at the top of stack. In this push operation, we have adding element at the top of stack. Second is pop. This pop operation is used to delete element at the top of stack. In pop operation, the element is deleted at the top of stack. Second is pick. It is similar work as a pop operation to delete an element at the top of stack. Second is remove. Is empty operation is to check whether stack is empty or not. It also says either stack is empty. It indicates that true value, otherwise it indicates that false value. Next is search. Search operation performs on stack to check particular element specified in a particular elements are specified in the stack. Is this all of operations performed on the stack? Third is dictionary. Dictionary is an hash map and it has represents key and pairs. It represents key and pair. Dictionary is similar as hash map. There are following operations can perform in dictionary. First is get to get the value object in the dictionary. Second is element. An element is the particular pair of an dictionary. Third is remove. To remove specific element in a dictionary. Third is size. Size is to define the size of dictionary, and fourth is operation is to element is to add element in on the add element on the dictionary. Fifth is remove. Remove operation performed to remove element on dictionary. Fourth important types is legacy classes. Property is similar as an list. Any object is an default store and property. In a property we can set hash values. Fifth legacy class is a vector. Vector is similar as array list. When vector is when array list is non-synchronous, while vector is synchronous, it is opposed to work with an array list, and it's similar to an array list. When array list is synchronous, while vector is not synchronous, it gains as opposite of array list. And vector represented following method. First is vector method. To vector method is to create default size of vector. Second is vector integer size. Is this is to create is a parameter as vectors. And third is vector integer and integer increment. In this I have created a vector to increment size of vector. Is this I have said all of about between legacy classes in a Java programming language. These are older version of is does not support it because collection classes and interfaces does not allow in a older version. After allowing the classes interfaces supporting a connection framework JSC 1.2, their classes are supported, and then older version is known as legacy classes. These legacy classes is the hash table, dictionary, vector, stack, and properties. Is this I have said all about between legacy classes in a Java programming language. So thank you guys for watching today's our topic. So thank you.